Yeah, man, Blam Dem rise pan the scene. You know, just listen people, nobody don't know who the boy they be. But me feel like same is a shit in a plate, somebody you see it, walk one when they pan welcome forward to the TV, you see me? And you don't know Queenie already, Queenie and Nikki Minaj always a link up at England, all them could something there. But me I say, Queenie go forward pan have live with Blam Dem and Blam Dem. Blam up Queenie, me not tell no lie, but Queenie forward back and I just say, yo. She not rate Nicki Minaj again, and that straight Queenie I say, you see it? Yeah man, the Queenie I say, yo, if I'm fair our platform, Blam Dem couldn't violate Nicki Minaj, and Nicki Minaj dep on our platform and bet Blam Dem this Queenie so Queenie answer about Nicki Minaj and Blam Dem. Yo, if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment and share and just go and subscribe to the TV for future upload, you see me? You can also link up over Instagram and on Facebook at Sandy and Bones TV. And yeah, man, just check out 8760 cigar, man. Can get you run a liquor chamber.
What's up, everyone? 876 Cigar is now available at the Liquor Chamber. Reach out to us for the finest imported cigars available at reasonable prices, and we also offer a mobile, personalized service to your home or business. Our mobile personalized service brings luxury to your home or business. Reach out to us today. Competitive prices, expert knowledge, and convenient delivery. Contact us at the Liquor Chamber at 1-876-671-8824 or 876-498-3504, or send us an email at 876importedcigars@gmail.com. Or you can shop at 122 Hungway Shopping Mall, Portmore, Jamaica at the Liquor Chamber.
Alright, let me tell you something. Nikki's a Saji. And the fact that she's up on the live, may I expect she to put more say into it. If say Blam Dem louder. To me, they hear her talk to Disha. However, in a fair one word. But she just asked him why. He said, come like the two of them. Like him say, Nikki, me I got done blood. Me not understand how him accept me and then I say, me I look cloud because him and Nikki dead. Don't you know me and Nikki blood? Me have a song what I do for Nikki. Do this and beat Blam Dem. You want a titty. I did some grudge me fam. Move your blood member. I did some grudge me fam. I always sang them. Me take play like blood taxi. Listen. Listen, you know. Who are you? All fat. Following can't hear you. You ever fart it and you hear it loud, loud, loud. Tink, tink, tink. And nobody can see it. You are the fat of the flat land. All fat. You can chat to me. Look at beautiful Queenie. You can chat to me. Boy, me you. Me say the boy. Me that they are cuss self. I'm myself, me a cuss. You hear me saying ya? She could have never chat back to blood clot. Me she can clasp me left, right, and center. She want. I don't care. I said my piece and release myself. I will not trouble me. You could have never come on my blood. And this somebody I might have sit down and take as a queen. Me take it. Me not like that. God, China, whosoever make TikTok, Blam Dem, and go eat the Chinaman them. If you thank God for TikTok, hear this. My boss myself, me no wait for no pity. Or the blood clot there. Listen to lyrics. I me create that.
One man to me goodie.
I hear the bomber one, no? How do it this year? And if do it this year, you want me to respect you? Me say do it this mean a blood law. True marriage. Because my sign my blood signature for better for blood worth. And it's not a curse. Me stand up for my blood. You can't get the chance to do that. Never. That legacy. You can't compare do it with you. You idiot. Do make me wear a white dress all when him eat me and I remember me and I want to see me and can't stop. Memories don't live like people do. I'ma get on with life with him or without him. What are you saying? Do it this me and you can diss me. Me diss out to no dirty blood all day and night. I diss the blood club I'm gonna turn me on. My can't be everybody cup of tea because it's not a mug. You're not blood. You're not taking no set for me. Escape? You going back upstairs, baby? What's up, darling? I just do a little one live with you. Of course, it's my eat. Hello, hon. Hooray, when on? One queen. Say less, babes. What is wrong with say less? Go and cook the soup. Okay? Richie, what are you worrying about, baby? You want them to trouble me and I sit back and do it? I can't do that. I only know how to. Guess what happened now? No? That phone I do my head in. Try the broad phone I have. It no matter. Here, Richie. Richie is still a program with you, sir. From a little bit, my old spoken. I'm a warrior in defense of myself. You look nice though, thank you. Yeah, man, I do a little slam bam, thank you, madam. For look presentable. To take out drawers. Yeah. Thank you, happy Valentine's Day too. And that's why I look so decent. Me have to find one, you just have to do a little rig up to put up your damn self. To bill out my face. The comment section are hypocrite. It's enough for them over Blam Dem I bring me down. I eat at them. Let me tell you something. That's why none of them can tell me nothing. You see what I mean? You me tell them nobody can dictate to me and tell me what I fit do. My dads. Yeah, man, them for go over there and come back over here. Them for play a hypocrite. Maintain the thing. Because if me alone over here, me not stay over here. I don't like the saga. That's why when Blam Dem chop out and some of the underneath. It not sweet, man. It disgusts me. You see, if me didn't know him, I'm on somebody in argument toe to toe. To that defense, me don't know him. Me not give him no preps and no ratings. You hear that? That's a wolf bear and sheep clothes. Nikki Minaj, please tell. No, make him stay up on my name. It done gone bad already because I talk up beer blood clotting. Remember me name no baby, no? Them turning. Everything that. Yeah, man. I Blam Dem make my blood cute up because I never ever come over here with a pigeon hairstyle yesterday. Blam Dem, me tell you, put 2 blood on a wig and make me go into the blood clinking and work with this. The adverts just come in and it's annoy me and the next one I jump out like the back there. Swords. It too. How would this way to her? And the Lord said, our RT bastard over here. Let there be light. Me not sleep all now, cause you flat Blam Dem. Where I fart all you can't hear him and smell him. But him done me Blam Dem clap me and nobody don't know him all. We do I smell him. Everybody clap me when I have one eyelash or one piece of my jaw pop off and slap me and know who me is. RT, what you doing over here? I swear we're not friends, RT. Yeah, the next one in the RT. Boy, this world so crazy. A good thing me terrible and bad no blood in myself. Me not done. Queenie, stop and be sis. Rich, I rich. Stop what? I cannot sleep. I'm want to be worthless and careless with Blam Dem and make my name strip to blood. Put me to the test, Blam Dem. But me want to come on live with Nikki Minaj and you take me down and diss me. You can't diss me. Mel Baron. You can't do nothing when me do it. You can't worry about that. I fucking queen, my reign. Me no need audience. Me no need pan blood. RT follow, move your blood. Say you're afraid of yourself. You know bad and brave. RT are the body. Because you see RT, I know all when RT can tangle him looking at your eye and quint. And do a little smile. And you know so clot RT. Move your Blam Dem. 96 per you. You not take no blood for me with my old blood clot, great ear them for my front. Me scrape them off and patch, great ear give for your names until your blood clot choke, Blam Dem. You can't done me. Clot done me. Me take my mother pass pad and take it make a mass for your blood. Yes. You can't done blood clot me. So let's do it. Strip teeth them fun brethren. You get prayers? Me the righteous so give me them. You know have no sense. Prayers walking at every life and every corner. Yeah? So if me if you go get prayers, pray for me. And I'll pray for you as well. I'm not going like prayers are crime. And when you tell somebody that them need prayers, it's a crime. I'm fairly well collective, well presentable as the queen. And I put a lot of work into the nation. You think man will get up and I need blood pet pan camera. A class people got suck out to no big dirty thinking mama. Nobody not see you. Nobody not know. You can't come tell me fair. Whether them want to tell me I'm Mr. Whether early moon or clone. I will stand up for myself. I didn't say that. I said I am going to say, oh, my apology, my darling. Dark, you understand me? You have to say with me. My edge, you understand? Him forgot look at life. You know much people life him get up and disturb. If you know me to the bad and not so blood clot, but cause the whole always a set of shit blood clot. Somewhere there is gotta be some tear. You know when you have the pit toilet, them a center man, some used to shit pan before flushing toilet come in. And when bullfrog, no pino wall never there my side. I was me afraid of. I have to get one piece of newspaper and roll up the bomber clot newspaper. Yeah. I get the piece of newspaper, you roll it so. And light it. You light it to the matches. The matches you strike and light it, you know. And when you light it, you take it out. Be a cockroach, you go slump on this, you know. And a be a cockroach around the room, right? You have to take the fire now, the newspaper, and go around the room of the toilet. I saw blood clot, Blam Dem, itch up on blood clot, people like cockroach. Me a fire under your wire. What the fuck? Make up his tail, blood clot, no name, no word, no value. Nobody a book you. Nobody a look you or took you anywhere fucking knows you. Who the fuck you? You know, like the whole way over here, tear down makeup, tear down who not ever deal back with clap body. But the whole way can see each other image. Ah, who you? You think you can come put in my what? So you said Nikki. You got this blood with Nikki Pan. Boy, I want me put in a in the road. Up there, you. More on that spliff. I want me to put on Instagram. I'm glad my turban a blood clot and I can't take classings. Can you see the more you class me? I put no mouth long even. Sound like a hot egg in. I have hot egg in your mouth. She's chill. Rich. No man, yeah, I'm so true, me, your general, darling. I can't live here, Richie. I have to live for my emotion, darling. My sanity. My comfort. My peace. If I am going to live for you for what you said and chill, I am not Queenie. I'd rather be Queenie, Richie, okay? No offense to you, darling. Me a old man, as him say me a senior citizen. So my emotion mean a lot to me. So you see me not let out the bad steam. Me I got steam up. And when you steam up, everything is cloudy. Okay? Them can't broke me. Don't make them broke you. Just Richie go on, man. Richie to that side, go and cook some soup. Richie leave me. Richie, leave me. Rich, Kenneth daughter. What? Kenty daughter. Rich. If you know me, you know that's who I am. When me sat, nobody can tell me done. There's that me not trouble people. I want near ATL, Atlanta. Hello. Yeah, Rich got cook some soup, man. Go. Something on the phone. Go on over, Blam Dem yard now, man, and leave me alone. Come out of my yard and leave me alone, Vince. Vince, leave me, man. Y'all wife, Vince love. So, Vince, you think me you could have dep alive and Blam Dem company as the queen, with the girl power, and company live and class, yo. I'm just simply say, Blam Dem are your class queen for me. I say, Blam Dem, you cannot do that. That's not nice. Hello, GL Toronto. Oh, I can't work with this. This I do my heading. Hello, Queenie. Check you from New York. Hello. Far wide. A wider world. Me no know, you know. WORLD. Sad world. Custom class you like honor of history. Who have history? Forever bless one. Big up yourself. Canada again. Me say me dying for reach Canada, I said.